Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I was thinking about going ahead and building myself a fire pit for my backyard. So I just recently moved into a house and I want to kind of upgrade a little bit of stuff here and there, and I had some landscaping rocks that were left behind from the last owner. So I was thinking dig a little hole, put some rocks around it and see what we can come up with. So hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so back here at my back fence line here are all these rocks that I was talking about earlier. And right now they're not really doing anything other than just piled up in the back. They don't look that good back here either. So the plan is to take some of these rocks, whichever ones look the best and will fit the best, and put them somewhere out over here. So I'm going to go ahead and start moving these over, and I'll see you when I get done. Alright, so I collected some rocks here from my fence line. Obviously this isn't going to be all of the rocks. I decided I'm just going to move a couple now, kind of lay them out where I want them in my grass, and then start digging a little hole, and then we'll go from there. So the plan is, let me step back so you get a little bit better of a picture, but I have this little concrete pad that runs outside my house, and probably a few steps into the grass is where I want the actual fire pit to be. So I'm gonna do some looking around, probably somewhere there's already some dirt, no grass. My yard is really just a bunch of weeds right now, so it doesn't really matter either way. But let's take a look and see. I think it's safe to say that Banjo here doesn't like the shovel. Alright, so I've kind of rough sketched where I want this thing to go. Obviously I'm going to need more rocks, but that's easy. That's just a little bit more trips up and down there. But yeah, I'm kind of digging where this is at in the yard. Not too far out, not too far in, kind of thing. So yeah, so let me go get some more rocks and then fill it up, and I'll start digging the hole. Banjo says he wants to play ball as he's chasing a fly. Alright, so let me back you up here a couple more feet. That is going to be my fire pit ring, and I think all we're gonna do, let's go ahead and dig down about a foot, maybe not even a foot, 8 inches, and then pile the dirt on the outside. So, see how it goes. Alright, so I just got done digging the hole for the fire pit, and it seems to have already caught Banjo's ball, which he seems pretty distraught about. Isn't that right, Banjo? Anywho, yeah, it's not too deep. Once again, I mean, I'm not trying to make a giant fire pit here, but just something to put a couple logs in, maybe at night on those nice warm summer nights, and then chill out and have some beers or something like that. But pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just tidy up the rocks a little bit, and then that's gonna do it. Alright, so there you guys have it. Quick, little easy Sunday afternoon project, and just in time for summer too, right? So hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be posting a little bit more videos here, so really appreciate it, and have a good day.